Friends, hello friends. I have a one query that most of us are we living a fulfilled life with joy, or are we just living a successful life? As you know that there are four stages in anybody's life or career, which we call it 4S. And what are those 4S? Is first is S is survival stage. Second is your secure stage, and third stage you get in your life is the successful stage, and then finally you achieve a significance stage. So once you say the survival means you live paycheck to paycheck, month to month you get a pay and then you survive for that. In success stage you may get little extra and you may be little better off, then but still you are in same mode of survival. But when you reach in the successful mode, you are having with some assets. Maybe you got a own house, you got a own vehicle, you got your own resources, some savings, and you feel that I am in a successful stage. But you know that these all these three stages, you are living your own life, but there is no satisfaction per se. Satisfaction you get once you reach in the significance stage. And what is the significance stage? Significance stage is the one where you basically experience the self fulfillment. And how do we achieve the self fulfillment? Let me tell you, as far as I am concerned, that I have been living so far in a very successful stage, and I am successful, I feel. But of late, for last couple of years, I decided that I should do something for the society, and that is where I got into this significance stage. So, what exactly happens in the significance stage, and where is the difference between the successful and the fulfillment? The significance stage is the one which gives you the fulfillment. And how do you differentiate between the fulfillment and the successful? The fulfillment is the one where you, instead of getting, you think of giving to someone, or rather impacting others' life. Whereas in success stage, you are getting only. You are getting your resources, you are getting your pay, you are getting your money. But whereas once you reach in the fulfillment stage, you are in the position to give to the society, give to the people. So that is your fulfillment stage. But where is the problem, that why most of the people never achieve that fulfillment stage? Have you ever thought of it? The reason is very simple. Firstly, these things are not taught in our schools. Education system doesn't teach us all these things. In addition to that, our limiting beliefs are such that we don't believe in this kind of giving the things. Further, that our parental system, our environment doesn't teach us all these things that you achieve or attain that fulfillment stage. So, how you can achieve this? You can achieve, instead of seeking the success in life, it's better you seek fulfillment in life. And for that, you have to be truly you. You have to have your own character. You have to have your own purpose in life. See, nature has actually designed or developed everyone for a specific purpose. Same for the human being as well. But you will notice one thing, like tree is tree, it will provide you always the food. Okay? Whereas flower is flower, it will always provide you fragrance. But Humans have a choice to be human or not to be human. Human is the only ones who have got an option to behave the way they want. So human can decide whether they want to achieve the significance in life or they don't want to achieve the significance in life. And if that is the case, how do we achieve? So firstly, you have to find that who you are and what is your purpose. And if you can find these two things, you can find the significance in life. Generally what happens is that we never think of that. We always keep seeking the success, money, success, but we never think of getting significance or fulfillment by which you can impact others' life or you provide life to others. That is where we lack. So how do we can find out the purpose in our life? There are two ways of it. Firstly, instead of asking that how do I achieve success, you must ask yourself how I can impact others' life. Instead of asking that what money I can earn, you must ask that what problem I can solve for others. Instead of asking that what business I should do, you should ask what problems of the world or of the community or the society you can solve so that you can impact their life. If you ask, your system of asking the question changes, naturally you will be able to find out the purpose of your life. And once you find that purpose of life, I'm sure you will get the significance and the fulfillment. And the fulfillment with the joy. Then you will have your character, you will have your living the life with the joy and the fulfillment. So I would ask you that how many of you think that you are living a life of joy and fulfillment rather than only the success? You can write in the comment box, or if you want to ask some question, you can ask. I can answer those questions online. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.